Hey, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. In this problem, I want to do a limit problem, a continuity problem, with an unknown in it, and we're going to ask you, or I'm going to ask you, to figure out a solution to this. So here's the problem. I have a piecewise defined function g of x. There is a condition on x. If x is greater than 3, we use x plus 5, and if x is less than or equal to 3, we're going to use the rule 2x minus a. What I want us to do is to figure out a value of a that makes g of x continuous at x equals 3. So in order to do this, you might be able to guess, but one of the key things is I need justification for this. Do not skimp on the details. They're not hard to write down, but you will lose points on an exam if you do not write these down. So to start this, I am going to determine the left-hand limit of this. Well, the left-hand limit is the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of my function. Whoops, not f of x, but g of x. Let's see if I can get that right. Now, when x is less than 3, we're going to use the bottom rule. So I'm going to replace g of x with 2x minus a. Now, again, this is a polynomial. And I can plug in x equals 3 into this. So I wind up getting 6 minus a. That's the left limit. Now the right limit, again, let's write things down. Do not skimp on this. And when x is bigger than 3, I'm going to use the top rule, which is x plus 5. Again, oops, I almost missed this step. That's a polynomial, there we go. So in order for g of x to be continuous, I need the limit to exist. So I need the two-sided limit here. Now the two-sided limit, when does a two-sided limit exist? When the left side is equal to the right side. So that says 6 minus a should be equal to 8 in order for this to work. So what does a have to be? Well, this tells me a is equal to -2. So that's half of the story. So now I have that the limit exists. So this is what I have so far, that the limit as x approaches 3 of g of x. Well, this is equal to, I can choose either 8 or 6 minus a, where a is -2, but in both cases I get 8. So that's step number 1. Step number 2, I need to figure out the functional value. And in this case, we're going to plug in 3, and if I look at this rule right here, it includes 2x minus a. So this is going to be 6 minus a, but I already know that I'm setting a equal to -2. So that is also equal to 8. So for continuity, I need g of 3 to be equal to the limit as x approaches 3 of g of x. And this is true from the above work, or the work on the page, I should say. And that is another limit problem using a piecewise function. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.